Subscribe for more content.
Open any browser and search VS Studio Code. On the interface, two options will pop up. Do not download the merge pack of Java with VS Studio. Download the VS Studio application first and then install it. I have already installed the software, so I'm not downloading it. Then again, go on the browser and search for Java pack for VS Studio Code. Download and install the extension pack of Java inside the software. Now make the new folder for Java programming to run and select the folder. Make the new file for Java inside the Java programming folder. You will see this type of raw format. Let's run the program and check whether it's working or not. Done with the program typing. Let's save it and run to check whether output is coming by the compiler. Always save the file with Java extension. Output has been given by the compiler correctly. Successfully installed the JDK extension.